Want to learn how to use Mailchimp's reporting features to track your email campaign performance and improve your marketing strategy? Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get the most out of Mailchimp's powerful reporting tools so you can see what's working and what's not. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to optimize your email marketing like a pro. First, let's jump straight into it. Once you're logged into your Mailchimp account, head over to the Reports section. From here, you'll see an overview of your recent campaigns, with key metrics like open rates, click rates, and bounce rates displayed right on your dashboard. This is the first thing you need to keep an eye on to get a quick snapshot of how well your campaigns are performing. Next, let's talk about the campaign reports. When you click into any campaign, you'll see a detailed breakdown of its performance. Mailchimp offers a ton of insights here, such as the open rate, click-through rate, and the total number of clicks for each link in your email. This allows you to see exactly how your subscribers are engaging with your content. You'll want to pay special attention to your open rate. It's one of the most important indicators of whether your subject lines are grabbing attention. The third thing I want to highlight is the Activity tab. This shows you who specifically opened your emails, clicked on links, or even unsubscribed. It's a great way to understand your audience's behavior and make data-driven decisions. You can even export this data into a CSV file, which is useful for analyzing trends or importing into other tools. Next up, let's talk about click maps. Mailchimp's click map gives you a visual representation of which areas of your email got the most clicks. This is a fantastic feature if you want to fine-tune your design and layout. If a certain section of your email is getting a lot of clicks, consider making that content more prominent in future campaigns. The fifth thing to check out is the A/B testing reports. Mailchimp lets you run A/B tests on subject lines, content, and even sending times. The reporting for these tests is crucial because it shows you which version of your campaign performed better. Using this data, you can optimize your future emails based on what works best for your audience. Finally, let's discuss your audience reports. This section shows you detailed data about your subscribers, including engagement rates and how they interact with your content over time. It's a powerful way to segment your audience and tailor your campaigns for better results. As a bonus, Mailchimp offers advanced reporting features for users on paid plans, such as comparative reporting, which lets you compare multiple campaigns against each other. If you're serious about optimizing your email strategy, this can be an invaluable tool. Now, before you go, remember you can get access to Mailchimp and start using all of these reporting features for free by clicking the first link in the description. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses for you to take advantage of when you sign up. To recap, we've covered everything from campaign overviews, detailed activity reports, and click maps to A/B testing and audience insights. Using Mailchimp's reporting features can truly elevate your email marketing game, and with the insights you gain, you can refine your strategy for even better results. Make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial linked below to start using Mailchimp's reporting features today. Happy emailing!